Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to ask question in Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you want to ask any question into your Instagram story, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first I recommend you have to update your app to prevent issues. Open your app store or play store, try to update your app. After updating, open your Instagram app here. Just tap on this plus option and then select story, then tap on camera option here. Now, once you get on story, you just have to create or take any photo. You can also tap on this text option to create your own text. Here, you have to tap on the sticker option in the top center. Then select questions from here. Once I've selected question, just tap on it, and here you have to add a question. So, for example, I have added a question here. Now you can tap on this done option once I have added question. And after that, once you have added the question, whenever the person will see, they will give you answer on this section. And after that, just tap on this tab on this your story option, and it will be sent as your own story. So in this way, you can easily add a question into your story on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.